all new Xiaomi Mi 9T. You can find out more at mi.com.